Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. We're coming at you tonight with a one-box break of 2013 Bowman Inception football. This has 5 spots, all random, and we have the names in random.org. So everybody's going to get a hit. It's going to be randomized 6 times for you guys. And how we're going to work it is whatever number you land on, that's the spot that you get in the pack. I want to wish everybody good luck, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are your spots, guys. Dean G, number 1. Michael P, number 2. Leland P, number 3. Adam G, number 4. And Kenan W, number 5. Good luck, guys. It's going to come from the case we opened last night. Box right up on top. I want to pull some mojo for everybody here. These are beautiful cards. Box last night had an Addison Russell numbered to 50, a Shelby Miller autograph, and a Michael Zunino autograph jersey. Leland, we're looking into other options as we speak, so please bear with us, guys. They are gorgeous. Okay, and here we go. Spot number 1, Kyle Zimmer. And that's going to go to Dean. And for spot number 2, Eddie Butler going to Michael P. In spot number 3, Stefan Romero, and that's going to Leland. Spot number 4, Jake Odorizzi, and that's going to Adam G. And the last hit is a Joe Peterson autograph relic, and that's going to Kenan W. All right, thanks for joining us, guys. Check us out, www.thecasebreakers.com.